Dear passengers, welcome to Fly Tiger in Taiwan. Now we would like to invite passengers seated in rows 1 to 4, 12.
Community Center, and Ocean Breeze.
For you, in fact, coming up next up.
现在我们优先邀请座位排数在第1至4排，12、